What's up, guys? Today is Wednesday, March 19th, and boy, do we have a crazy episode in store for you guys today. Things are just getting nuts. Everyone, this is going to be one of the craziest episodes, so make sure to stick around. If you're new to the channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and we can just get right into this. So, before we get right into this, I posted a very high quality, amazing, everyone around town is talking about it, mini documentary on Bitcoin and why I'm invested, and honestly, it could persuade you and your family to go all in. That is not the intent. I'm not your financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Guys, let's get ready to jump into this because today we have a crazy episode for you. Is Litecoin about to make a huge move? This is a must-watch video, guys. Guys, listen. Most people will pay top dollar for this kind of content on Patreon, on different websites where you can subscribe for updates. I am giving it to you here for free. You don't have to pay. This is the type of stuff people would be paying top dollar for. Guys, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and let's just jump on into this. Guys, if we want to start off with this article, before we get into the charts, before we start analyzing the markets, because that's what we do here on this channel. We analyze trends, we prepare for future scenarios, we anticipate, okay? You know, I'm not telling you where the price is going to go. We're not trying to predict. What we're trying to do on this channel is to get a feel for the market, right? To get a feel for everything going on in the market, whatever that means. Why Litecoin prices have doubled this year. This was posted today on Forbes.com by Charles Bovard. He is a financial writer and consultant who focuses on investments. So, you know, just to skim over this, we're not going to spend a lot of time. Get rid of this ad real quick. Merchant adoption has increased, that's for sure. Litecoin, you see people out there like Johnny Litecoin on Twitter, and this is going to be a serious part of the video. He's actually doing a lot of good stuff for Litecoin, going out there pushing adoption. So I think that's one good thing Litecoin has going for it. What do we have next? Transactions have become faster. Boom. Litecoin's already pretty fast, but yeah, it's getting faster. Transaction fees have been falling. True. Supply dynamics, privacy developments. Yeah, that is true as well, actually. Litecoin Charlie Lee tweeted about fungibility. You know, they've talked about partnerships with Monero and working with them and everything like that. So privacy is definitely a big plus as well. Now, Litecoin did see some large action earlier this month of March 2019, leading the market a lot. And currently it does sit at number 4. Look at that, guys. Guys, check this out. Look at that. Litecoin is number 4, above EOS by about 300 million US dollars. Look at this. Market cap of 3.6 billion at this time. 60 million Litecoin in circulation. Basically even for the day. Don't let these red numbers fool you. Over the last 24 hours, it's basically even. Not much has moved. You can see by these... Sometimes you just need to take a step back and center yourself, you know. Relax a little bit. Litecoin has been making moves up slowly in the market, as we can see here. There's still quite a big gap between the top 2 and 3, Ethereum, XRP, and Litecoin, as you can see, about a $10 billion gap here. Bitcoin obviously reigns supreme in terms of the market cap here. These two guys kind of dueling it out, Ethereum and XRP, and then we have everybody else kind of all stuck close together. But right now we have Litecoin leading that little charge right there, right at the top of that whole pack of the top 10. Besides the top 3. You know, they're kind of on a league of their own right now. But is that going to change? Guys, stick around, because that's what we're going to get into. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. So let's just jump into this chart right here. So I've spent hours and hours analyzing this market. Not paying for TradingView, so I'm going to get rid of that. Hours and hours. And there's one thing that's become painfully clear to me. And that is that there is a major move coming for Litecoin. Let's, you know what? Let's jump into some indicators first of all. If we look at the RSI, you can see just how high up, 65 on the RSI. Look at that, crazy high, right? We look at the stochastic. You see the movement, the momentum going down. Currently at the 40 line right here. You want to check that out right there. We got BTC shorts. Look at this. Shorts slowly, you know, actually taking a little tumble down from about 23,000 to 22. But that's not what we want to check out. One thing we do want to note is the descending volume ever since the beginning of February, about a month and a half ago, right? Now the question on everybody's mind is a big move coming for LTC. I'll tell you right now, guys, I think there's a big move coming. Is it going to be a breakdown? Is it going to be a break up? Let's take a look at the scenarios because we're not here to predict. I'm going to give you the full circle. I'm going to give you every possibility, right? So if we just want to jump in it quick, one possibility here that we could have is that Litecoin could break down for sure. Litecoin's price could go down. And I'm not talking about your mom and pop's going down. I'm not talking about your mom and pop's crypto channel here, all right, guys? The price could go down. But on the other hand, what could happen? The price could go up. We could see price increase drastically. Take a look at this. Look at this. Look all the way back in December of 2017. You guys remember this? Look at Litecoin, 102 all the way up to $423 on Coinbase. 420 basically. Blaze it. Vape Nation, y'all. But one thing is painfully clear, there is a move coming. Another thing to take note of is we are quite extended from that EMA. About 28, almost 30% from that 50-day moving average right here. As you can see, this blue line. You know what? Let's make this a little bigger so everyone can see that a little bit. You know what? Let's beef this up a little bit. Let's increase that thickness. How thick do we want to go? That's pretty thick. I don't know if we want that thick. There we go. That's pretty good. Perfect. Look at that, guys. You can just see this line. Look at that. Now, one thing to note, look what the entire bear market has been. It's been a battle. I'm not paying for it. Not paying for you, TradingView. I'm not going to pay. It has been a battle with that moving average. Just, you know, pop up, down, down, down. Couldn't even pop up, couldn't even pop up. Oh, little pop, down, down, down. Now, what are we seeing right at that $30 level for Litecoin? Is $30 the bottom for Litecoin? I'm going to go out on a limb and say it might be, but it also might not be. Going to cover all possibilities on this channel. Guys, that's what we like to do on this channel. We like to cover all possibilities. We don't make predictions like those other channels. We're here to give you all the possibilities and really just look at what I'm looking at, you know? No financial advice. You're not making calls. Guys, I'm not charging you. This is free content. People would pay top dollar for this content. Let's get this crypto, guys. But one thing really seriously to notice, we are quite extended from that 50-day EMA right here. Look at that. Now, does that mean that a pullback is imminent? It's possible, and that's something we got to watch out for. You got to be prepared when you're investing. Definitely look at your portfolio and be prepared for something like that, right? Because you never know. That's one thing for sure, is you never know with crypto. One thing my dad told me as I was growing up is he said this, Ty. He pulled me aside a lot. I remember being on the private jet just thinking like, Dad, you know, I really want to know about crypto and I really want to know how to invest. And he said, Ty, he looked me in the eyes. He said, Ty, one thing about crypto is you don't know. The thing about crypto is you don't know. So guys, write that down because that'll help you immensely. I promise you. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and let's just jump into the video. So is a big move coming for Litecoin? I'm going to say there could be a big move coming in store for Litecoin. Now, with that being said, I'm sure you're wondering, are other coins going to have a big move? That's quite possible as well. Usually the market moves in synergy with each other, and I'm just going to throw this out there, but there is probably a big move coming for Litecoin. All right, it looks as though this video is over 10 minutes. Okay, guys, I'm going to give it a wrap. Guys, thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will be back with another daily update. Guys, make sure to check out that documentary I posted. It'll be at the top of the comments, pinned at the top there. Make sure to check it out. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. So let's jump into some Bitcoin USD and see what Bitcoin has to offer. So I'm not paying for you, TradingView. So if we take a look on TradingView here, one thing we do notice as well, let's pull up some indicators. Let's take them away. Let's just zoom in and take a peek. One thing we notice is that Bitcoin as well is getting further away from that moving average. Not quite nearly as much as Litecoin. Litecoin is really just pulling a move there, really getting up there. Bitcoin's only, you know, less than 10% extended from this blue moving average right here, the 50-day moving average. However, it's still looking better considering this entire bear market as well has been a battle with the 50-day moving average. So is there a big move coming for the market in general? Has, you know, really around $3,000 been confirmed as the bottom for Bitcoin? Nobody can say for sure, but it is looking solid. Now, many people around this time were saying 6K was the bottom. Look at this, months and months of testing this, and then boom, on that fateful day, November 13th, I remember it well, just broke down. And then ever since then, we have been in this new formation that many people are still unsure about. But to be honest, at this point, seeing this sign of these coins like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and many others moving above the 50-day moving average, is that the beginning of an uptrend? Guys, we will have to wait and see. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Hope everyone has a great day. Guys, I will be back soon with another update.